I guess that it's not so scary. It's actually it's all quite achievable, and it's not. There doesn't need to be so much hostility around it. But also I think the other thing, if I can add one other thing, was the importance of authenticity. Yeah, no, I guess that it is an achievable thing to do, and it's something that it's not to be scared of it or push it away, but to embrace it and move forward. Because I think it's New Zealand needs to grow into its own boots still, and it's part of that process. It was fantastic. Yeah, it was especially the paua pies. I thought they must have been prepared by an expert. So. Very good. Yeah, I think definitely would. It's not heavy going. It's not too academic. It's not. It's very approachable, and it's understandable, and you feel like you actually got something out of it. And it's definitely a worthwhile exercise. It's an important step also for me to come along here, because I can't tell other people to do it if I haven't been here myself. So.